Good morning, everybody. This video is for those of you who mined CTO Cotadile on Satoshi. So withdrawal time or claiming time has come, and the claiming started just yesterday. So making this video to guide you on how to go about claiming it. Okay, and this is Satoshi. Let me even claim the one that is ongoing. We still have two projects that are ongoing that are a drop in there. So how do you go about it? Now, there are requirements. Number one is your EVM compatible wallet, which we are going to use, the recommended MetaMask. So if you click here, you are going to see the announcement. If you click here, you read the announcement and the direction on how to go about that. But MetaMask has a little issue connecting, doing a decentralized app connection these days. So we are going to complete the operation in another Web3 EVM supported wallet whereby we're going to import our MetaMask into that wallet. So follow the video step by step to do so. But take note that you will be needing at least 0.1 core to claim it. Okay. Now there's rumor that it's going to list on the 1st of October and I'm supposed to claim before 1st of October. But I don't know how true that is because it's not from the official, so you just have to claim it. So first and foremost, we go to our Bitgate wallet. This is Bitgate wallet now. So because MetaMask is not really working perfectly well, we have to import our MetaMask into this place. So let's go to MetaMask and then you see. So this is my MetaMask now, right? So to import your MetaMask into your Bitgate wallet, I'm going to show you the part that you might not know, but I'm going to show you. But take note that you have to follow the video I already made on how to add core mainnet into MetaMask. Then you would have added, I believe by now you have your core mainnet on your MetaMask, okay? And then you need to fund your core. I mean, you need to fund core. You need to fund your MetaMask with core, okay? And you can see. And then you also need to have this, okay? If you are using if you want to use MetaMask to do it, but of course we are importing this into our Bitgate wallet. So to do that, you have to import either your passphrase or your private key. So I'm going to be using private key, but I'll show you where to get either the private key or the private phrase, okay? Either the seed phrase or the private key. So over to Bitgate wallet. So to import that my MetaMask into Bitgate wallet, this is Bitgate wallet, okay? By default, it's going to be like this. Then you click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you are going to see this place, see wallet. Then you click on it. You're going to see add wallet. Then you're going to see all these options. You read them, and then you're going to see import a wallet. Then you're going to see mnemonics like private key wallet. So that's the one you're going to click. Then you're going to see, read all this, input your mnemonic phrases with spacing, supports 12 or this, and private key for all wallet types. So the seed phrase is going to take me time, so it is the private key that I'm just going to import. So let's head over to MetaMask. Let me show you where you can get it. Where you can get either the private key or the mnemonics. So from your MetaMask, okay, remember, make sure that it is the core wallet on your MetaMask. This particular wallet you connected to you submitted the withdrawal address, okay? That time that will link the withdrawal address of CTO on Satoshi. Make sure it is that one. So you click on setting. When you click on setting, and you're going to see security and privacy. You click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see review secret recovery phrase. So if it is secret recovery phrase that you want to use to import it to Bitgate wallet, you click here. But I don't want to import secret phrase. I want to import private key. So I'm going to click on show private key. When I click on show private key, then it will prompt me to enter my password. So when I enter, I'm going to pause the video and enter my password right now. Okay, so after entering the password, then you will see this place say hold to review private key. So you're just going to long press here so that the private key will be reviewed and you copy it. Okay, right now the private key has been reviewed and I'm just going to click on this place to copy it. And after copying it, I will head over to Bitget wallet. So I've copied it. Here we back to Bitget wallet. So I'm just going to paste it here. Remember, it's the private key that I copied. So I'll paste it there. And then this confirm will be highlighted. So I've pasted it already. And then you can see confirm. I'll just click on confirm. So, and then you just click on EVM. Okay. And of course, you click on core. Okay. You can see this is already here, EVM, and then you can see it's ticked already. You click on confirm, and it will fetch. Wait for a while. Okay, well, you can see after waiting for a while it has popped up. Okay, this is what I have here now, and you can see it's the same thing that I have on my MetaMask. You can see it's the same amount I have on my MetaMask that has appeared here on my EVN new wallet, right? So I just have to be sure it is. Okay, so to ensure that it is actually core, now when you click on this wallet, you're going to see that it is core that I have here. So from here we can proceed with the other processes. You can see that by after the importation, I now have these two wallets. Okay, so I can switch between the wallets. Okay, can switch between the wallet. This is the wallet that I have that I imported from MetaMask. So invariably this is my MetaMask wallet, right? I can also add other other tokens to this wallet now, right? I can also add other tokens to this wallet. So let's go back. If I want to add other tokens, I'll just click here, manage tokens, and then I'll add any other tokens that I want to. I can add my USDT, I can add USDC. Just by clicking this plus, it will add to the list of tokens that I can add. OEX, I can add any other one that I want to add. Okay, that is it. But that's not what we're doing because we already have our core right here. Okay, so this is it. Now to do the claiming, we'll click on this discovery, right? Click on discovery, and then you come to the search bar, right? You come to the search bar and paste this link, and the link will come with this video, but I'm going to copy the link now from where it is. I'll copy this link and then I will paste it on the search board here, right? And of course, yeah, I'll click here to search. I'll click here to search, visit. Then I'll click on enter. It will load up, wait for it to load up. And then you're going to see connect wallet. Okay, you just click on connect wallet, and then you're going to see click here to claim. So it has registered that wallet already that you can see. I'll click here to claim. It's as simple as that. Then you click here to sign, and then yeah, you complete the captcha. And look at what it's telling you. Please click each image containing an animal sitting or lying. So you just have to choose them. I will pause the video to do that, and I'll click next. Then I'll do the next also. Just complete the captcha and click verify, and then you are going to click on get CTO. Then you confirm. This is the charge. Okay, confirm. And that's all. We are going to wait for it to reflect in that our wallet. That's basically all you need to do. Okay, now you wait for it to reflect in that your wallet. By this you have made a claim, you have claimed your CTO. Just give it some minutes and then you go back to the wallet and see if it has reflected. So that's all. The link, this link will come with this video, and also the instruction, okay, on what you need to do. Okay, so going back to the wallet, you now see that we have CTO reflect here. Okay, now take note that you're not claiming everything, you are claiming 16%. It's 16% that is made available, but then let's see what the 16% will give us upon listing. So you can see I now have it here. Forget about the what you are seeing here because it has not been listed. So but let's just see what happens. So that's how you go about claiming your CTO. Now if I go back to my MetaMask, you will also see that the CTO would have reflected there as well, even though yes, you can see this is it. CTO, it has also reflected the same quantity. So I have it here in my MetaMask, and of course it's the same wallet that we imported into the BitGate. It's as simple as that. That's it. Thank you.